Installing MySQL manually. That's the last decade. With Ansible, we automate the process like a pro. It ensures all servers get identical setups, preventing those annoying works on my machine issues. Plus, no more late-night troubleshooting, just smooth deployments. Trust me, once you use Ansible, manual installations will feel like dialing up the internet in 1995. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Ever wish servers could configure themselves? Well, Ansible gets pretty close. It's an open-source automation tool that simplifies deployments and configurations. No agents, no headaches, just clean, efficient automation. And let's be honest, writing YAML is a lot less stressful than debugging 1,000 lines of shell script. Installing MySQL manually can be tedious. Ansible makes life easier by automating the tricky parts, so no more running the same setup commands over and over. Plus, it keeps everything consistent. Imagine a world where your test server looks exactly like production. Sounds magical, right? Before diving into my SQL installation, we need a few things. A Linux machine with SSH access. Check. Ansible installed. Check. Root privileges. Check. And yes, let's make sure we have internet, because downloading MySQL without it is like trying to stream Netflix with a dial-up modem. First things first, set up Ansible on your control node. Define an inventory file with all target servers, then run some ad hoc commands to test connectivity. Oh, and don't forget SSH keys. Password-based authentication is fine, but let's be honest, automation is way cooler when you don't have to type passwords every 5 minutes. Managing MySQL users is like being the gatekeeper of a VIP club. You decide who gets in and what they can do. First, we create user accounts efficiently. Then we grant permissions carefully, because nobody wants a rogue user wreaking havoc. Roles help simplify management, making our job easier. And of course, regular audits keep everything secure because trust is good, but verification is better. Backups are like insurance. You hope you never need them, but when disaster strikes, you'll be glad you have them. We automate backups using cron jobs, ensuring regular snapshots of our database. MySQLdump is our trusty tool for reliable exports. And just like fire drills, we must test our backups to confirm they work. Finally, we keep an eye on the process to make sure nothing goes wrong while we're asleep. Imagine installing MySQL like setting up a new gadget. You want to make sure all parts work before you start using it. First, we check if the installation was successful with basic tests. Then, we run diagnostic commands to verify functionality. Testing connections ensures that users can actually interact with the database. And lastly, we optimize right away, because nobody wants a slow database. Troubleshooting MySQL is like being a detective. Every issue leaves clues. Connection issues. Check configurations and network settings. Authentication errors. Maybe credentials need fixing. Performance problems. Slow queries might be the culprits. And if the database crashes, don't panic. Restoring backups and identifying the root cause will get us back on track. Using Ansible with MySQL is like having a personal assistant for automation. It makes life easier. Playbooks help us automate database management efficiently. Secure configurations protect against vulnerabilities. Scalability ensures our setup handles growing traffic without breaking. And by continuously monitoring performance, we keep things running smoothly like a well-oiled machine. Scaling MySQL deployments is like preparing for a huge party. You need space, organization, and backup plans. Ansible automates deployment, saving us time and effort. Load balancing ensures smooth traffic flow. Redundancy keeps everything running, even if something fails. And monitoring helps us stay ahead, adjusting configurations as needed. That's a wrap. We've explored MySQL management, automation, troubleshooting, and scaling. Security and performance are crucial, So let's keep refining our skills. Continued learning helps us stay ahead. Technology evolves fast. For deeper dives, check out recommended resources and start experimenting. The best way to master MySQL. Get hands-on. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.